In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo, menu, text, icons, background, colors on scroll in WordPress Elementor. We're going to create a polished scrolling effect where your header sticks to the top and smoothly swaps styles as a visitor scrolls. You'll do this entirely in Elementor using motion effects and a bit of targeted CSS, so your logo, menu text, icons, and background adapt for perfect readability. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head to your header template. You can get there through Elementor's theme builder, then open your existing header and click Edit with Elementor. This loads the header layout you already use across your site. Now click the main header container or section, not just a single widget. This parent wrapper controls the entire header area. With it selected, go to the Advanced tab, then Motion Effects. Turn on Sticky and set it to top. This makes your header stick as soon as the page scrolls. Right below, set the effect's offset. The offset defines how far a visitor must scroll before the sticky styling takes effect. Pick a value that feels natural for your layout so the change isn't jarring, just enough to signal movement without distracting the user experience. Next, you'll prepare the elements you want to restyle by giving them custom CSS classes. Select the light version of your logo, and in Advanced, enter original logo in the CSS classes field. Select the dark or scrolled version of your logo and give it the class scroll logo. For your navigation text and icons, assign a class like sticky menu items or menu text colors to the widgets or container that holds them. These labels don't change anything by themselves. They simply let your CSS target exactly what you want when the header becomes sticky. With classes in place, apply your custom CSS in the header container's custom CSS area. Set your default state so the light logo is visible and the dark logo is hidden, and your regular menu colors and background are active. Then define the scrolled state that kicks in after the offset, hide the original logo, show the scroll logo, update the menu and icon colors for contrast, and adjust the header background to a solid or semi-transparent tone that improves legibility. Elementor adds a sticky effect state to the header when it sticks, so your CSS can use that state to switch styles reliably. Preview the page and scroll to confirm the transition looks smooth, then save your changes. That's it. Your header now elegantly adapts on scroll with logo swaps, clear menu text, crisp icons, and a background that always supports readability.